What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In the last video, we got the car fully wrapped with the new color. It looks amazing. Go check out that video. But today we're gonna be installing the body kit on it. We have a full body kit from street aero, front splitter, side splitters, and rear diffuser. So let's unbox the diffuser first and start throwing it on. So we got the whole kit unboxed and ready to go for the rear diffuser. Everything looks super clean, super nice, really aggressive. I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like on the car. It's gonna look super aggressive. So let's jack the car up and install the diffuser. And now to build part of the diffuser. So I got the first part of the diffuser mocked up on the bumper. In order to put this diffuser on, there's a skid plate that's under right here. It's very dirty, but I have to take this off to fit this on. And then afterwards, I'm gonna cut it so I can fit it in there still and cover everything and still be able to bolt it in and then have the diffuser on. So when putting on this diffuser, you have to drill holes in the bumper, 3 holes, one on each on the side, one in the middle, and then you get the bolts through it, which is why you have to take the skid plate off to access the bolts, and then you can just bolt them right on. So I went ahead and installed this side off camera because it's a little bit tricky to bolt this in because you have to actually bolt to the bumper and the frame itself. So I did this one off camera to get the idea of how to do it. And now I can do the other side on camera and show you guys installing that now that I know how to do this side. So in order for me to put the side spats on, you actually have to use the OEM clip that is in the bumper on the front right here. And you have to drill your own hole right here. And you have 2 bolts that bolt into here and then it connects to the actual splitter itself right in the middle. So let's mock it up, drill the hole and bolt it on.
Amen.
So we got these 2 pieces now bolted up. Now time to just bolt these up and then the diffuser is on and then we can cut the skid plate to put the skid plate back in. And the last side is finally bolted up and on. The diffuser is fully on. This thing looks sick. It's super aggressive. Going around the exhaust tips under it, I like that a lot. This is super sick, super sturdy. I love this. That was really good. Now we just gotta cut the plastics to bolt that back in, and then the rear's done, and then onto the side skirts. So I was able to put this skid plate back under to see where I wanna mark it to cut it. So I'm gonna need just this panel right here. So I'm gonna trim off this left side and this front clip area, just so I can clip this back in and still be able to cover everything inside and still be able to run the diffuser. So let's mark this up, and then we're gonna trim it. So as you can see, I have a line going straight down here, and it's gonna cross over here and go straight back. And just that little portion right there is gonna bolt back in, and all this is just gonna be junk. So we're just gonna have to trim this up a little bit back more, and then this should bolt right in, no problem. So let's go trim this back a little bit and then put it back on. Trimmed it back up, should be able to fit right on now. Let's see. Got it back on, able to cover the fuel cell area so we don't hit that. Just gonna try to tuck these up a bit more, and then the diffuser install is done. So now we're gonna move on to the side skirts and install them, but first we have to unbox them and put the low glow strips on them first, so it's easier rather than putting it while it's on the car. So we're gonna take them out, put the low glow strips on, and then bolt the side skirts on. So let's unbox them. So we got the side skirts unboxed. These things are super nice. I got the cross-faded ones, so they curve in and then go back out. So it's gonna look really good with the tilt and when this thing's on the floor. So let's put the low glow strips on these and then bolt them up. Now that we got the low glow strips back on the side skirts with the rubber hiders on it, ready to throw them on, we're gonna start with the passenger side and then go to the driver's side. Got the car all aired out now with the new side splitters on. These things are super aggressive. Stick out just enough with the tire length. I think it looks perfect. It's nice and even, and it goes very well with the rear diffuser. I love the way these look. So that's 2 done. Last one is the front splitter, and then the full body kit is on. Took a lot of finesse to get this on with the underglow and onto the bumper, but damn does that look good. That's super aggressive. The full kit is on, everything is done. This car is basically done. We're gonna pull this thing outside and grab some shots of it in the light, aired out. This kit's very aggressive. This thing looks really good. I can't wait to see the whole thing aired out. So let's take this thing outside and grab some clips of it. And that is where I'm gonna end this video off at for the body kit install. It looks super aggressive. I love the kit. It looks amazing, especially aired out. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, put on them post notifications for me. And thank you guys all for watching once again. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.